Hey everyone, welcome back. Good morning. So in today's video, I've been wanting to unbox my AirPods Pro. So I've had this for some time now. A few months back, I bought this to replace this one right here. So this is a knockoff AirPods and it cost me a fraction of this, the AirPods Pro. So I initially bought this, just to try it out, and I've been using this. I fell in love with this because it's compact and there's no wire, and it's hands-free. I use this for my workout when I run, and that's the primary use of this knockoff AirPods Pro. So, and I've been using this for a year until I decided to purchase the AirPods Pro right here. So today we are going to unbox the AirPods Pro. This is with the MagSafe charging case as well. And along with that, we are going to include this right here. So I bought this from my, if you guys have a Daiso store, so basically it's a Japanese dollar store. It's not dollar, but that's what it's called. It's Daiso. This is a silicone case cover for the AirPods Pro. So we're gonna pair this with my AirPods Pro and see how it fits. So we're gonna go unbox this, and so as you can see right there. So while we unbox this thing, all right, here. I love the way, again, if you're an Apple fan or just bought Apple stuff, you are familiar with their boxes. So right there, it's clean, minimal design, AirPods Pro on the top, and that's it. And on the back, you have all the specifications, excuse me, it's too early. So, and let's take a sip of my cappuccino. I've been trying to perfect my cappuccino, my barista skills, but I keep failing on the pour of my coffee. But it tastes good, and that's all that matters. But the aesthetics of it, the appearance is just right here, and I'm trying to get here, but currently I'm right over here. So I digress. So this is the AirPods Pro. As you can see, I'm trying to unbox this to replace this. All right. So unboxed it. Again, minimalist, right? Approach. You get that, and you get the AirPods Pro itself right here. And you get, what else you get in the box? And the charging, oh, this is a USB-C, and they gave you the extra plugs for your ears, your earbuds. So that's good, keep that. And they also give you a USB-C cable for charging. So that's it. Again, we're gonna unbox this. We're actually unboxing it now to replace. Does it pass the sniff test? Oh God, I'll probably catch some virus by doing that, but no regrets. If you smell electronics just like myself, you know. Man, that smells good. I don't know, comment down below if you know. I think I saw this on YouTube, but you can buy an Apple air freshener, like their new tech product. So if you can find that or know where to find it, comment down below. I want to try it and let you guys know. So put that back. I'm gonna keep this box, because why not? So this is my old one. This is a knockoff AirPods Pro right here. It's charging right now. It's pretty good. It's actually paired up with my iPhone right here. And so you can see the design right there. That's the knockoff version. It's pretty nice. It's comfortable when I run. I like it. They don't fall off, right? So this is the charging case. As you can see, there's an LED indicator, and this is the mini USB right there. It's an old type. And this is the new one right there. This is the AirPods Pro. And see there, so you can see it's partially charged. And there you guys can see it. It's pretty nice. It's pretty clean. I like the design. So there, try to see that. And we'll try to get this case. This is from, I bought this for like $3. So we're gonna pair that here, or we accumulate more dirt and and dust, and see how it fits. Again, it's nice. This is like $3 from Daiso store. So the lower portion fits perfectly, and the top portion just slides it right in. So you can see my phone is actually detected. It's detected the AirPods Pro if I open the top cover think we're good. And so we're gonna open it. It's open. And what we're gonna do is pair it with my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So right there, you can see it detected it. That's one of the things I love about iPhone is it just works, right? So we're gonna go try to test this out. It's paired. So one of the things, this is brand new, all right? It says my name, AirPods Pro, 80%. It tells you the charge per AirPod, like pair, like a single AirPod tells you the charge, like percentage, and also the case itself. Right now it's telling me, it indicates 20%, but each of the AirPod is charged and it's 80%. Take a sip and let's try it. See how it. Okay, let me see. Okay, I heard a sound. Let's see, let's go to SoundCloud. Right now, the jam that I'm listening to is this right here. It's the Hot Bling Lao Gara by AJ Wavy Desi Mashup. Look it up on SoundCloud. So, oh my God, this is good. This is, I don't know if I'm gonna include that, but this is good. All right, I don't know if you can hear me, I'm talking loud. It sounds like it's comparable to my Bose noise canceling. So it's comparable to this. All right, and I have the Bose QC. It's comparable to this. Oh, wow. Okay, if you're asking me, right now, there's AirPods Pro. It's comparable to this right here. This is the QC35s version 1. So if you ask me, for portability, compatibility with iPhone, this is great, and I love this thing. I've had this for 2-3 years now and it works perfectly. If you ask me now whether I should get this or not, I think I'm gonna go with the AirPods Pro, because it's portable, it's light, it doesn't take up much, and yeah, I like it. And yeah, I just noticed that if you take one of the AirPods out of your ear, the music stops playing. And this doesn't do that. Wow, Apple, you are. Okay, let's go right into it. So again, comparable sound quality. I think it's comparable to Bose, or even slightly better if you ask me. Just hearing is subjective, but they're easily comparable, and I love my Bose. So yeah, AirPods Pro, highly recommended on sound. And features as well is the fact that the music stops if I take this. I'm blown away. Let's just finish this music for now. But yeah, that's the quick unboxing and quick review of the AirPods with MagSafe charging case. Will I recommend this for, if you have the budget, if you have the cash, if you want Apple, the products that just works, sound quality is good. I don't know about the battery, battery life, but this is it. Sound quality is good, great. So with that being said, I'm gonna go. And if you guys have any questions, comment down below. I'll check you guys in the next video. Peace.